Hi, I'm going to show you today how to use the BBFoam by Me and My Hair. Hope you enjoy. For this and other amazing Australian products, go to memyhair.com. To start with, you can use this on wet or dry hair. Scrunching the hair into place, use 2 pumps of Me My Hair BBFoam. I find with the hair turned upside down, you get better scrunching ability. And if you need a little bit more, just another pump will do. Throwing the hair back and then just scrunching it into place and allowing it to dry naturally. This will actually take the frizz out and the curls will sit with a beautiful formation. You can also then continue to blow dry and it will leave the hair feeling nice and smooth and give it a nice shine. I also love using the BBFoam straight. This is my hair and I use 2 pumps while my hair is dry just to take the frizz out when I've woken up in the morning. Best part about BBFoam is you can use it wet or dry. You can blow dry it in and it leaves your hair feeling really lovely and soft. It doesn't go sticky. Thanks for watching. If you love this, please subscribe to our channel and we'll bring you more videos. Thanks.